Guess what I'm making? I'm gonna make zucchini pasta. A very healthy pasta. And I'm just gonna use garlic, a little bit of chicken cube, black pepper, and the Prego sauce. That's all I'm using. A little bit of olive oil. And we're gonna see how's it gonna come out. We're gonna throw some pepper on the chicken. I will come back with the next step. Hello, hello. I'm going to be making a zucchini pasta. I'm going to be using chicken breast, Prego sauce, and black pepper. I already put some black pepper on the chicken. And I'm going to be using fresh garlic, or a little bit of chicken cube. We're gonna put the chicken in here. Zucchini pasta. Hello, you can't go wrong with this. Zucchini pasta, healthy, healthy, healthy. We're gonna let the chicken cook, cover for at least 10-15 minutes. I think I'm gonna have to put a little bit of oil, extra oil. Just a tiny bit. It's nice and moist. And we're going to cover up the chicken. I would say 10 minutes. And I'll come back with the next step. I'm making zucchini pasta. Okay, so we're back. Here we got the chicken. Chicken is cooked already. We're gonna start adding more ingredients. I'm gonna add some red onions. Oops. Some nice red onion, marinated. And we're going to continue adding the Prego sauce. We have the Prego sauce. I just wanted to taste like pasta, so I decided to use Prego sauce just because. I am going to let it cook a little bit with the Prego sauce and the onion. We're back again. And now we're going to add the zucchini. Zucchini in the house. Zucchini and spaghetti. Zucchini. Here we go. I'm gonna do it all just because it becomes less after it's cooking. And I'm going to move it, but I'm going to come back to show you the results. So here we got the zucchini. We're gonna cover it for a little bit, not for too long, because we don't want it too soft. We want it to taste just exactly like pasta. And believe me, it does taste just like pasta. With the chicken and the Prego sauce and the garlic, delicious. So I'm gonna cover it for maybe 2 minutes, if so. And I will come back with a nice, delicious zucchini plate pasta. We have a delicious Zucchini spaghetti. Zucchini pasta with chicken. Organic chicken. Delicious, delicious, delicious. Yo, we have delicious zucchini pasta. Not only it looks like pasta, but it tastes like pasta. This is crazy. And of course, I cannot eat anything without avocado. Avocado is the most for me. I just love avocado. So there you go. Zucchini pasta, delicious.